In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a visible ray of light scene in 2 minutes. S and Y to scale in the Y axis. Tab to go to edit mode. Control R with mouse wheel up to add multiple loop cuts like this. Let's add 2 more loop cuts to create 3 windows for the scene. We can scale the edge loops like this. Let's shift select 3 faces and remove them. This is going to be my render view. We need to solidify the wall. Let's go to the world shading and only add a volume scatter node. We need some bluish color. By the way, this is my cube material. I have turned off specular to prevent the lights from bouncing inside. Also, as usual, I have used 32 samples to render the scene, and I have disabled use nodes under compositing. Please always remember to set the default render setting as same as mine by following a tutorial listed on the description below. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.